Right, I'm back and I am fresh out the shower, so freshly washed hair. Again, I use that apple cider vinegar clarifying shampoo. So this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and just take these down. This reminds me of Bird Box. You know, I'm having a feel for everything. I can't see the color rubber bands, but I can feel these black ones. That's all I'm doing. Did y'all watch Bird Box? Did y'all fall for the hype? I did. It was a good movie. I'll give them that. I think that's all of them. Sure. Yeah. All right. So now what we're gonna do is just go through and unravel all of them first. Uh-oh, I did miss one. Shoot a monkey. All right. Unravel all of them. All right. Yeah. So here we go. And do y'all notice that anytime, are y'all locks like that too? Like after you wash your hair, you see the hang time. Like this is no retie. You can get hang time after your washes. But I'm pretty sure for the ones who have Sisterlocks, you already know. If you don't, then you see it. It's definitely hanging, shaking, shake, rattling, rolling. So, all right, so this is just normal. I haven't separated the locks, but we're about to do that right now. And what I do, I don't go through and just, because I think that's what some people maybe think, like you gotta go through each one individually. I don't do it like that. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but this is what I do. I kind of just go through and I do several at a time. I just like kind of section it with my hands and I just kind of try to separate them. Do it as quickly as possible. Let's see how long it takes to separate these locks. How do y'all separate your locks? Leave a comment below if you know like a better way that you separate it that I can maybe try out. Definitely put a comment below and let me know, because it's just all I know to do right now. But I'm definitely I am open to learning alternative ways to separate my locks. And sometimes if you ever see me and I'm out, if you know me, you'll see me playing with my hair. I am just playing with my hair sometimes. But normally I'm just going through, I'm just making sure that they all separated and none of them are marrying together. I always feel for them, make sure I don't feel like anything odd, because I have noticed that my hair has started to change. It's starting to thicken up more from when I first got them. So I definitely have seen some change and improvement over these 3 months that I've had these Sisterlocks. So when people you know, ask me about my hair, you know, I tell them like, you know, it was an investment, because it ain't no chump change you paying just to get these things. It definitely is a upfront investment that you are going to have to pay up front. And then every month unless you take the self retightening class after so long, you know, it's going to cost you, you know, not as nearly as much as what the installation is, but it's going to cost you like an average, you know, when you're going to a salon. But the difference is with Sisterlocks, you know, when you look up the term investment, it means something that adds value. And you can't tell me that the Sisterlocks installation has not added value to my life. Number one, it has freed up my time that I don't have to spend day to day in the morning on my hair when I go out somewhere. Like, it literally is the last thing I get ready for when I go out somewhere. Even if I want to updo, like, it's so quick and easy to do an updo, and it's gonna be cute regardless, because Sisterlocks is a style in itself. And then two, it definitely adds value, because when people see me, you see, you know, what I paid for. You see the process of it, the progress of it. You know, it's there. You see where my money goes, and as it gets longer, you're going to see it flourish even more. So Sisterlocks is definitely an investment, and you're investing in yourself. You're investing in your exterior, and that's what people see you. So even as a first impression, they're gonna like, you know what? Oh, you know, her hair was really nice. Her hair was different. They're unique. They're confident. Sisterlocks that gave me confidence that I didn't really have before. Like, I was going through my picture gallery earlier, and I didn't nearly take as many pictures as I did when I was wearing my wigs than I do now. You know, it's just because my confidence is more. And I'm a plus size girl. Like, ain't no, you know, I'm a plus size girl. And of course, that's a whole nother topic. But, you know, even with me having Sisterlocks, it has gave me so much more confidence. And you know, my confidence hasn't been too bad, but, you know, of course, being plus size, you're going to have some insecurities. But, you know, these Sisterlocks have definitely boosted my confidence more. I take a whole lot of pictures. But, you know, it's just, I'm just so much happier now. And so, yeah, it definitely adds value. It's an investment. And you can see my progress and my investment is not going to depreciate. When you freaking have wigs, and you're going to take that down in a few months, if you get a wig or braids, whatever, like, it's not nothing permanent. So that money that you invested into your hair is depreciating about a month or sometimes less than that. So Sisterlocks is complete opposite, because you're seeing my progress as it goes on. It's going to look better as it goes on. It's going to appreciate. So Sisterlocks is appreciation. I think everything else, it just makes your hair depreciate if it's not, you know, something that's you're rocking your regular hair. So I would rather have an investment into my hair that is going to appreciate, meaning it's going to go up and add value to my life in multiple aspects. Time is an investment because I don't have to focus on my hair. And when I do, it's because I want to, you know, it's because I want people to see, like, hey, you know, if you do get this, you know, this can kind of save up that time that you might have spent doing other things or using funds for something else. Set money aside to get some Sisterlocks. And if you still, like I said before, if you want to wear your wigs, you can still have the capability to do that, because you can actually cornrow these back if you want. You can twist it down, put your wig cap on, and then put a wig on top until you got that length that you desire. But I'm comfortable enough to, like I said, wear my hair. So, and look at my hair. And I'm pretty much done separating my locks. I went through the back and did all that. But y'all see my hang? I could never shake my hair like this when I was Lucy. Never. Lucy never let me do this. Whip the hair back and forth. But anyway, so that's me separating my locks. They're separated pretty much, separate on the get, because I'll do some more, like I said, throughout the day as I'm playing throughout my hair. So anyway, Sisterlocks are an investment. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. They're an investment because they add appreciation to your life, appreciation to your hair, and appreciation with the growth that they're going to see with your hair, that they're always going to see it. It doesn't go anywhere. You're going to see this length and investment. But now what I'm going to do is, it's still a little damp, but what I'm going to do is take my rose water. I haven't opened these, the ones that I just bought up, the ones that I bought yesterday. I'm not gonna open them yet because I do still have my little concoction of rose water and vitamin E oil that I was using before. But I want to go ahead and use just as my rose water base, and then I'm just going to take the vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to put it in my hand and just rub it through my hair so you can see the difference. Let me go ahead and open this up. It's kind of hard to open because it's that child safety cap, and it's like the medicine bottle where you I don't get it on the side, but yeah, so you just squeeze it and squeeze it up and you'll fill it up. But we'll do all that later. First, what we're going to do though is spray my hair with the rose water. And then we're going to take the vitamin E oil. We're just going to put a few droplets in our hand. It's really not really thick, but it's a thick oil. So you really don't need that much of it to go on your hair. And that's another thing that I like about it, is it doesn't take that much of it to, you know, do some magic to your hair. So I take a few droplets. I don't know if I can see that. Take a few of them, just rub it on my hair. Just take my hair and I just go like so. Make sure you get it on your scalp too. That way you don't have dry scalp. Take a little bit more. And you can put as much on there, like, you know what your hair needs. Like your hair, it'll tell you like, yo, stop. But you know your hair better than I know it, better than anybody. So you put the desired amount that you think should go on your hair. And that, my friends, is how I moisturize my locks. And then really I could be done with my hair, you know, that's it. But so I'm gonna retire tomorrow. I think I'm gonna just sit here later on tonight. Probably I'm gonna let it air dry for a second, but I'm just gonna you can see my hair. Let me turn it down so you can see the back of my hair. Side view. Cute. See luxuriousness of my hair. And it's, you know, it's grazing my back, you know. Ones who never had long hair, you don't know what it feels like for your natural hair to touch your back, and it's grazing my back and I can shake it, you know. And then this is this side of it. so I'm pretty much done with right now. I could twist it up. Wear it down. I could rock it over to the side. I've done that before when I'm kind of worried. I may do a video when I try different styles out because I really don't style it much. I just let it do its thing and let it hang. I may do like a little side, a little twist, and go like that sometime. But I'm very minimal with my hairstyling. But anyway, that's all I got for right now in today's video. So tomorrow, because I'm getting my third retie, my 3-month retie. And you know, we're gonna see how much of a difference this has made. That oil makes my hair feel so freaking soft. Go buy you some vitamin E oil to give your hair that life. I haven't tried that witch hazel tea tree oil like some people I've heard use. I just tried this vitamin E and you know, it worked for me. So y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all have tried the vitamin E oil, how did it work for your hair? Do you think that is something that your hair may like once you buy it? It's not a conditioner, so it's not going to unravel. And like I said, my hair seems like it's really coming along, but we'll let her be the judge of that tomorrow. But right now, that's all I got, folks. And I will come back tomorrow, like I said, and we will see what the 3-month retie gonna have my hair looking. I ain't really about, I do want it to, of course, get longer, but I know it's gonna thicken up first because they have to, the locks compress together. That what makes them fatter, because as they, of course, they start from the root and then go down when they do the Sisterlocks. No, I'm sorry, when they install it, they go from the tip up, but when you get a retie, of course, they retire from here. So I just want to see how it's going to thicken up because it's going to compress more. So, you know, I know my locks are going to get fatter and get a little longer. So I'm just still enjoying my process. I hope y'all are too. You know, I had a few hair crushes when I was watching my YouTube or other YouTubers, and you know, it's some chicks that, you know, they really align up with what my hair texture was, what my length was. So I do follow those women more than a few others who are more popular because their hair texture and their length wasn't the same as mine when I started. So I try not to, I admire their hair and I do like seeing how it is, but I don't really follow them as much as I do others who have hair like mine. 4C hair texture, thick, full hair, and had about, like I said, 8 to 11 inches when they first got them installed. I tend to follow those people the most. So if you are one of those people, you may just, I may be your hair crush. Like, you may just admire my hair. You may admire me. Send me sense, you know. If I make sense to you, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button and comment below. What do you like about your Sisterlocks and how do you feel about them? So anyway, I'm about to go. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a blessed one. Bye.